going on, YouTube? We're here in the shop tonight, middle of July kind of. It's pretty hot here in northern Arkansas, so we're pulling night shift duty tonight. We are building a wire mesh rack holder for the forklift for a local lumber yard. They reached out to us and asked if we could help them out. They'd been borrowing one from another company and asked us to build one for them. We're gonna bring you guys along with us. This should be the second, maybe the third video of this little series, depending on how we put them out. Kind of new to the YouTube stuff, but we hope that you guys like what we're doing. We hope that we get a good following here and can bring some good content to you guys. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna build this thing out of some 2x4 11 gauge rectangle tubing. And then we're gonna put some 2x6 runners for the forks to actually slide in. And then we will also be putting some little chain hooks on it where they can boom it down and haul it on the back of their trucks and everything from job to job and make it a little easier for them. And yeah, so let's get started. So we got our perimeter cut out there. It's a pretty big rack. It's 8 foot by 20, so it's kind of a bear to manhandle by yourself, but we're getting it done. We will we'll take and tack all of our corners here, make sure that we get it all nice and square so everything lines up nice, and then we're gonna come back in and put a center brace across there, and then 4, maybe 5 supports across. So that whenever they lift up on it, it's not lifting on just the long runners and help strap down and everything else. But yeah, we'll get all that tacked together, and we will show you once we get past that, and then we'll cut some more material and do some more welding. now that I'm sitting here and have it all welded up and it weighs a lot, I'm wondering how I'm gonna flip it because the CNC's there and everything else is over here. So may try to get the forklift squeezed in over here and be able to pick it up and get it out in the open floor. But hey, that's what makes good content, huh? So anyway, not a whole lot left to do. Maybe another hour's worth of work tonight, and we can call this one done. And yeah, just all we like is finishing. So here we go. All right, guys. Well, that was way more difficult than what I was planning on. My little old forklift back there doesn't have a whole lot of reach on her, and the shop's a little congested. I mean, it's a big shop, but still, you get something this big in it, and it kind of clogs it up in a hurry. And being a one-man band tonight, it made it a little bit more challenging, but we got it flipped. We'll show some bits and clips, or we showed some bits and clips there of flipping it. It's way past midnight tonight. I think I'm gonna call it a night tonight, go in and get some rest and recuperate tomorrow night, and we'll try to get this thing knocked out. Not a lot left to do. Just weld up the seams on the top and then put 8 little chain clips on it and some end caps.
guys. Well, that concludes the wire mesh rack. We've got everything welded up. All of our end caps are on. All of our chain hooks are on. We'll wait for the customer in the morning to come drag this thing out and load it up and get it out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like I said, this should be the second or third one of this little series here. We would love to hear what you guys think, what you don't like, what you like. Any comments, a good comment, I guess, at this point. Yeah, we'll keep carrying on with this little series here, and we'll see you on the next one. Be a video building some nightstands. This is just the start of one. We built a big custom bed set here a couple weeks ago, and these are the matching nightstands to go with it. You're not going to want to miss it. That bed turned out really, really awesome. Hopefully we get an order in the near future where we can build another one on camera this time. I'd love to just build one for the fun of it, but material's too expensive. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you on the next one.